Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. This past April, my husband and I finally made it to Australia after touring New Zealand. And what a journey it was. From snorkeling in the vibrant Great Barrier Reef, surrounded by corals and tropical fish, to tree hugging in ancient rainforests. Every day was packed with awe and wonder. We wandered the wild beauty of Tasmania Island, visited a wildlife sanctuary where I met wombats, fed kangaroos, and caught a glimpse of the elusive Tasmanian devil. Sydney dazzled us with its icons, the Opera House, Sydney Harbour, and Coogee Beach, just to name a few. But what really stayed with me was the food. Sydney is truly a mega city for global eats, and I was beyond thrilled to retaste the Malaysian noodle soup, laksa. Bold, spicy, and incredibly delicious. Today, I'm recreating the laksa soup. Let's get cooking. Making the shrimp stock. Peel the shrimp shells and devein the shrimp. Add the shells into a pot with olive oil and saute until the shells are brown. Add 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil and simmer on low heat for 45 minutes. Next, soak the noodles. Soak the dried rice noodles in a shallow pan with warm water. Boil the noodles right before serving. Prep for the laksa paste. Slice the galangal into small pieces. I had some in the freezer. Chop the onion. Bruise the lemongrass with a cleaver and slice thinly. Peel and rough chop the garlic. Make the laksa paste. Add dried chilies and shrimp into a small food processor to chop until semi-fine. Add cashew nuts in lieu of candle nuts the recipe calls for and blend. Remove this from the processor. Then add all the remaining ingredients and water from the get-go. I didn't add water, and it was very hard to blend with the fibrous ingredients. Blend until semi-smooth. You may need to open the processor to scrape down the ingredients on the sides and continue to blend more. Add the blended dry shrimp, chili, and cashew nuts back to the paste to blend all. Make the laksa broth. In a Dutch oven, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to coat the bottom. Add the laksa paste and saute for a few minutes. Stir in the coconut cream and let it simmer for a minute or two before adding the shrimp stock. Simmer for 10 minutes on low heat and let the flavors develop. Season the broth with fish sauce and sugar. I didn't have to add sugar because the coconut cream had enough sweetness. Cover to cook a couple more minutes. Prep for serving. While waiting for the broth to simmer, slice the tofu puffs into small wedges. Chop some fresh cilantro and cut up a lime into smaller wedges. After adding the tofu puffs into the broth, in a separate pot, cook the rice noodles per the packaging instructions. Give it a try to make sure the doneness is to your liking. Cook the shrimp. Next, add the shrimp to the broth. Cook for 5 minutes or so to make sure the shrimp is done. I used a jumbo-sized 9 to 13 shrimp per pound. Your time may vary based on the size of the shrimp. Time to serve. Place a generous amount of cooked rice noodles. Ladle enough laksa broth along with tofu puffs and shrimp, topped with chopped cilantro and a wedge of lime. and serve a side of sambal sauce, which is a chili sauce. You may also make a double batch of broth. In fact, the broth tastes even better the next day. You can add a variety of proteins besides shrimp, such as beef, chicken, or just tofu. A steamy bowl of Malaysian laksa that's rich, spicy, and full of soul. If this noodle soup warmed your heart and made your taste buds dance, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I post a new episode every Saturday morning. Be sure to subscribe. Keep cooking. Bye for now. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.